Now for part D, we've got to state with a reason which variable is the explanatory variable of these two, t or w. Well, in your equation it's t. The value here, t is the explanatory variable because it's set and the weight varies dependent on what t is. Okay, so in summary then, what we've got here is t is the explanatory variable as age is set and the weight varies. Now in part E, we've got to work out now two parts. The second part is a slightly different question actually to what we're normally asked, the way it's phrased, but we'll come to that later. But the first part, we've got to use this model here to estimate the weight of a coin which is 5 years old. So it's just a simple case of, say we take a value here which is 5, put it into our equation here, and we get out our estimated value. So we just need to say that when t equals 5, what will w equal? Well, it's going to be 11.6 minus 0.0263 multiplied by the 5. And if you work that out, what you get is 11.4685, which, let's say we round it to 3 significant figures, that's going to be 11.5 grams, okay? Just to 3 significant figures. Now the second part, as I said earlier, is worded slightly differently to what we normally get. We've got to use the model to estimate the effect of an increase of 4 years in age on the weight of the coin. So this is to do with the value of b. Quite often in previous questions you most probably been asked, give a meaning to the value of b, the gradient here. And what is happening is that this is a negative value, and as we increase t, what is happening is that the value of w goes down by 0.0263 grams for every 1 unit across. Now 1 unit represents time in years, 1 year, okay? So we are decreasing by 0.0263 grams every year. So over a period of 4 years, we can expect the weight to decrease by 4 times this value. So let's just put that in. So we could say the weight decrease, okay, give a little intro there, the weight decrease after 4 years, okay, is going to equal 0.0263 then multiplied by 4. We don't need the minus because the fact that we've said decrease is suggesting that it is going down. And if you work this out anyway, you're going to get 0.1052, which is roughly 0.1 grams then, okay, to say 1 decimal place. So every 4 years we expect a decrease of 0.1 gram. Okay, well, hope you've been able to follow that, and that brings us now to the end of that part.